Tonight at 11, a multi-million-dollar effort to fight the opioid epidemic. It's a move a mother who lost her son on this day 1 year ago says could help prevent future deaths.
The hardest year of my life, my family's life, his friends' lives, really the whole community. He knew so many people, and it's been really hard on everybody.
News 5 anchor DeLon Dillard shares her story and explains what this money will go towards.
From the moment Melinda Gamez got that dreaded phone call on this day 1 year ago,
nothing can ever prepare a parent for that phone call or that feeling.
That feeling of grief hasn't faded.
I didn't find out that it was fentanyl that, why this happened till maybe like a month or two after, and I just couldn't believe it.
She says November 9th, 2021, her 19-year-old son Miles overdosed on a drug laced with fentanyl. He remained on life support until he took his last breath 4 days later. And every day since then, this mother uses her grief as motivation to help spread awareness, which could help save lives.
I think we all became very used to seeing numbers of deaths related to COVID, and I feel that that was important too, but death from overdose is also very important.
675 deadly drug overdoses in Cuyahoga County last year, according to the medical examiner. This year, numbers show we are on pace to lower that tragic death toll to 650. The Alcohol, Drug Addiction, and Mental Health Services, or ADAMHS Board of Cuyahoga County, wants that number at 0.
We want people to have that chance to go into recovery.
ADAMHS Board CEO Scott Osecki hopes $1.2 million in state funding will help accomplish that. In the next week, it's rolling out 5 naloxone vending machines across Cleveland. You'll find them at spots like the Metro Health main campus and the Centers for Families and Children's. The board is also working on putting more than 400 weather-resistant naloxone cabinets in public parks soon. It's similar to these boxes installed in locations around the city right now.
It's very needed, right? Like I said before, the ADAMHS Board, we don't condone drug use, but we want people to be alive in order to get the help that they need. And it's important for the community to know that, mental illnesses as well as addictions, they're biological-based brain diseases.
Osecki wants to make sure these harm reduction tools are easily accessible to everyone. This grieving mother who lives not far from Lakewood Park hopes some of those boxes will be installed there too.
If they were at parks or other popular areas and people could just discreetly at any time pick some up, and if not for themselves, maybe someone they know.
Ohio Department of Health data shows nearly 5,100 Ohioans died of drug overdoses last year, meaning more than 5,000 people got a tragic phone call, the same one Gamez received this same day a year ago. She says she's happy to hear about these cabinets and vending machines, and Gamez is devoted to spreading the news about them.
I know what I didn't know, and I know what the young person that Miles was with didn't know, and I really believe that education and availability could prevent any other parent or friend or anybody going through this.
DeLon Dillard, News 5.
The ADAMHS Board of Cuyahoga County offers mental health and addiction treatment. So if you or someone you know needs help, or if you'd like to know the location of these new vending machines, you can call the board at 216-241-3400.